Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I will show you how you can make the background for your slides and presentations on Google Slides transparent. So let's get started. So what you want to do, guys, is select the photo or background image you would like to make transparent. So for demonstration purposes, I will go with that image for that slide or presentation here. So left click on it, and after that you will see that feature here at the top, format options between replace image and animate. So click on that. That is going to open up that list of features and options here to the right. So what you want to do, guys, is expand the adjustment sections here by clicking on that arrow button. And below you'll see that slider here, opacity, which is currently on 100%, but you can move that slider to the left and that way work on or change the transparency of the given image and that way make it look transparent. So if I move that slider here to the left and set the opacity, let's say at 20%, it will look, or the image will look pretty transparent just like that. So you can play around with that adjustment here, with that setup, and simply find your preferred transparency level. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.